Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to remove duplicates in LibreOffice. So let's get started. At first, select the cells, then go to Data from the menu, click on More Filters, then Advanced Filters. A pop-up window will appear. Now here, click on this icon, then select the cells containing the duplicates below. Again, click here. Now click on Options, select No Duplicates. Click OK. Now there you go. Your duplicates are removed. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.